get this opportunity, even though it looks as a bit of a challenge for Central Valley Fuego having some of their pieces out. It's an opportunity for other players to step up as Pedro Fonseca enters the 18. Fonseca takes a shot and scores! Tormenta breakthrough early. And Pedro Fonseca continues to impress. Was able to catch himself behind Acha Isayaya. And then all he had to do was make a move and take a shot once he entered the penalty area. The Brazilian, clinical. And now, in a wide open game, back and forth. Not a lot of time spent in the middle of the pitch. Midense gets that one out while he's falling. Mariona takes the shot, deflects, it's in! Test your luck. And sometimes it'll break through for you. 2 straight games with a goal for Javier Mariona. Deflecting off of Preston Killwine, trying to get in the way of it. And instead, ends up being the undoing of his keeper, Drew Romig. And if there's anything that superheroes love, it's a crossover event. This one slipping through for Vivas. Sebastian Vivas! The flag stays down, and the visitors have reclaimed the lead. All the momentum going against them, and they break the tide. Just a hopeful ball, and then a sliding strike from Vivas. How about that finish from the Argentine? His 7th goal of the season.